Hey, I got a brand new trick followed by a tutorial, and it's a mentalist type trick. So here we go. First of all, I want to apologize for the bandage or cover because I ran into a tree over the weekend. So just taking care of a little injury right there, but I should be fine. I'm on injured reserve, but I'm back. So here we go. All right, so I have a prediction in here, in that box. I have some dice to get a number. I have this die to get an odd or even number, which I'll show you in a minute. I have a pointer. And then I have some cards, okay? So we have 5 random cards, which I'm going to set on the table here. Okay, let's move them over, try to even it up a bit. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now I'll take these dice, and I'm going to roll once, just to show you there's nothing funny going on in the dice. They are my Yahtzee dice. All right. So we have 8, 10, 11. 11's not a very big number, so let's double it. Let's go 22, okay? So 22 is the number we're going to use. Give these over here. This is going to tell me if it's odd this side, even this side, okay? Whoops. So let's see what we got. We got an odd. So 22, doubled that number. 22, random number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right. So now I'm going to flip these cards over, and I will show you that they are all random cards. There's nothing crazy going on, okay? Let's get rid of the dice. All right, let's move this card right here. Now, I had a prediction in the box that's been in there the whole time. And what are the odds that I could come up with the same card? Okay, well, let's take a peek. All right, so there is one card in here, one card only. I'll let you look in the box, just a normal box. Get rid of that. All right, so now, again, what are the odds after all that we did that I would flip this over and it would be the 4 of clubs? Whoosh. All right, so that's the trick, and it is a great trick, but there is a little bit of a setup, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the cards up this time for the tutorial, and I'll show you how it works, okay? So we do roll the dice. We get a number. Wow. Rolled 4s, 20. So I could keep this number right now. The only thing that you need to know about the dice is, or any number that they give you, you cannot use an odd number. So if somebody decided to go, okay, 13, you got to double it to 26 at least. Okay, it has to be an even number, and it will come up every time one of these 2 cards, okay? One of these 2 cards. Now you may say, well, what happens if it comes up to 7? Well, if I show you this card, it's a 2-sided card, okay? What I did is I took 2 old cards from a deck, and I have 2-sided tape, which is sticky on both sides. Piece up here, and you got yourself a 2-sided card, and it's almost impossible to notice unless you really look closely, okay? So let's leave the 7 up this time, okay? So actually, let me show you in the box. Where'd it go? I have the box, so it's facing up. I know the 7 is facing up this way, and then the 4 is facing this way. So I had the box like this, so I know the 7's like this, so I just pick it up like this. Pick it up, and then I know the 4, and then again, you want to go like this. You don't want to show the 7, so you want to be very careful the way you pull it out, okay? And again, if it was the 7, then I would go just like this, and I would very easily just pull it out like this. Again, being very careful not to show, and then of course, big reveal, and it's a 7. So it'll work every time, this number or this number. All you have to do is get an even number, and again, fairly high number because it makes it more fun. So that's the trick. That's the tutorial. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much, and have a great day.